But, only how does your decorator friend feel about it? I thought you were supposed to be saving yourself and all of that.
You know something? I haven't quite got around to telling her about it yet. Look, why don't we go out and have a drink or take a walk or something to celebrate?
All right. I think there's some champagne in the icebox. Why don't you open it while I get dressed?
Okay. I don't think I've ever drunk champagne before breakfast before. With breakfast on several occasions. But never before.
Now, I've got a wonderful idea. We'll just spend the whole day doing things we've never done before. We'll take turns. For something you've never done, and me. Because I can't really think of anything I've never done. I've never been for a walk in the morning before. At least not since I've been in New York. I walked up Fifth Avenue at 6, but as far as I'm concerned, that's still night. Do you think it counts?
Sure it counts. Now we're even.
Don't you just love it?
Love what?
Tiffany's. Wonderful. Do you see what I mean? How nothing bad could ever happen to you in a place like this. It isn't that I give a hoot about jewelry, except diamonds, of course. Like that. What do you think?
Well...
Of course, personally, I think it'd be tacky to wear diamonds before I'm 40.
Well, you're right. But in the meantime, you should have something.
I'll wait.
No, I'm going to buy you a present. You bought me one, a typewriter ribbon, and it brought me luck.
All right, but Tiffany's going to be pretty expensive.
I've got my check and $10.
Oh, I wouldn't let you cash a check. But a present for $10 or under, that I'll accept. Of course, I don't exactly know what we're going to find at Tiffany's for $10.
May I help you?
Perhaps. Actually, we were looking for a present for the lady.
Certainly, sir. Is there something special you had in mind?
Well, we had considered diamonds. Now, I don't want to offend you, but the lady feels that diamonds are tacky for her.
Oh, I think they're divine on older women, but I don't think they'd be right for me. You do understand.
Certainly.
In all fairness, I think I ought to explain there is also a secondary problem. One of finance. We can only afford to spend a limited amount.
May I ask how limited?
$10.
$10.
And that was the outside figure, yes.
I see.
Do you have anything for $10?
Well, frankly, madam, within that price range, the variety of merchandise is rather limited. However, I do think we might have, let me see, strictly as a novelty, you understand? For the lady and gentleman who has everything, a sterling silver telephone dialer at $6.75, including tax.
Sterling silver telephone dialer?
Yes, at $6.75, including federal tax.
Oh, well, the price is right, but I must say I'd rather hope for something slightly more, how shall I say it, romantic in feeling. What do you think?
As sterling silver telephone dialers go, I certainly think it's handsome, but you do understand.
Well, we tried, but I guess we could have something engraved, couldn't we?
Man.
Yes, I suppose so. Yes, indeed. The only problem is you would more or less have to buy something first, if only in order to have some object upon which to place the engraving. You see the difficulty?
Okay, well, we could have this engraved, couldn't we? I think would be very smart.
This, I take it, was not purchased at Tiffany?
No. Actually, it was purchased concurrent with, well, actually came inside of, well, a box of Cracker Jack.
I see. Do they still really have prizes in Cracker Jack boxes?
Oh, yes.
I Nice to know. It gives one a feeling of solidarity, almost of continuity with the past and that sort of thing.
Do you think Tiffany's would really engrave it for us? I mean, you don't think they would feel it was beneath them or anything like that?
Well, it is rather unusual, madam. But I think you'll find that Tiffany is very understanding. If you will tell me what initials you would like, I think we could have something ready for you in the morning.